let's go. I haven't done mine yet. I'm just working on it. See how I come out. Because I ain't trying to buy nothing. Stuff that's already made. Trying to do DIY. Do it yourself. And make it look cute. They got a lot of stuff today. They got a lot of stuff that's not $1 though. I know, I've seen that. Yeah, so you gotta be like super careful. Super duper careful. Everything is $1.25 and up. You gotta be super duper careful. Yeah, the soaps in there though. Yeah, I don't eat right now. I have to stick to my budget. I don't have it planned out. Because, yeah, that's not gonna be enough. So let's save this for something else. Save that for something else. Because I didn't see they had so much stuff that I could use. Like they had the coin things. They had the markers and stuff I want to use. So I said, the time is now. The place is here. You want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's arts and crafts, right? It's arts and crafts. I'm starting to kind of like this. I kind of like this kind of stuff. I didn't used to like this kind of stuff. It's kind of therapeutic. What's up? That was wrong. That's taking the sticky stuff off. Oh my god. Did you see my sugar-free wafers in there? Mm-hmm. I would say I had some sugar-free applesauce. I think applesauce had sugar in it. It said gluten-free, but it didn't say sugar-free. Sometimes it say unsweetened. Come on, Neil. Why you wanna play with my heart? Now this piece, I done peeled off this piece so perfectly. And it wants to be a dimwit. And the sticky stuff is coming off. It's not supposed to come off. Okay. You better stay on the back of here. I'm gonna be pissed if you come off. Now, let me put you up at the top. Wait there, you know just what I need. DJ, have it your way. Let's go. Yay. That's not it. Now I gotta figure out, like, how do I get a hole in this? That is cute! Look at that. It's cute. Isn't it cute? Dollar Tree for me. Dollar Tree for me. Dollar Tree. Alright. Look at that. It got like, it's fluorescent. Dollar Tree for me. I'm not gonna be able to do that. Wait. Yes, I can. Because I can use the top. You know what I'm saying? For the other half. Booyaka, booyaka. Booyaka, booyaka. Booyaka, booyaka. Dollar Tree for me. How far y'all gotta go? Springfield. Yeah, Ryan just told me that, he said now, that CC said 5:30, so I gotta leave it early if I do it. Come on, dude. Okay. Patience is a virtue. Patience. You know what I need? I need some tweezers. That's what I need. I need tweezers. Probably so. What you need them for? To help me pull apart these things that are sticky. Oh, this is going to be too wide. It's going to be too wide. I need to take 2 off. Listen to the angels sing. Glory, 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 glory. Tricky, 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 tricky. It will do, honey. It will do. It will do. Let me see. Right? And then when the light hit it, when the camera's on, nice camera action. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Oh, let me see. Got the nice camera action. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Oh, oh my, look. I forgot something else to do. Waste makes haste. Don't be wasting. Glory to the newborn King. Got this right here. Jesus. Jesus. So two and two. Two and two. Two and two, not three. Two. I probably should put on some glasses. This is why you need tweezers. Now I be understanding why they be using tweezers. Here we go. Not perfect, but very cute. Very cute. What's this one? This one is two, so we're gonna do three on this one. Three. Going too tight. Hush. Before I start, I'm already recording. Alright, so Mm-hmm.